How to upload songs to SoundCloud on your phone. Welcome everyone, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can upload music to SoundCloud just from your phone. First of all, open up SoundCloud on your phone. And make sure you have created an account on SoundCloud. Once you created an account, now here at the very top you will see this upload icon, so tap on it. Now before uploading your songs to SoundCloud, make sure your account is verified. Make sure to verify your email address. So in this case you have to check your email inbox and you have to verify your email first. Now here you can see this is the mail I got from SoundCloud to verify my email address. If you don't find this mail, you can check the junk folder or spam folder on your email. Now once you got this mail, here tap on confirm your email. And you can just click on visit link. And just open with any browser. And your email address will be confirmed. Now you can tap on open SoundCloud app. And here again tap on the upload icon. And now you have to choose your MP3 file. So here tap on OK. And select the MP3 file from your phone. Here you can see this is one of the MP3 file I have created. Now let's tap on this MP3 file. Once you selected your MP3 file, now you can give a name to your song. Here for the test, I'm just gonna name it my new song and then .mp3. Once you named your song, now you have to pick a genre for your song. So here select the genre that best defines your song. Here I'm gonna choose drum and bass. Once you pick the genre, now you can describe your track. So let me briefly describe my track. Now this is just for example. Here you have to provide the best possible description for your song. Once you provided your description, now here at the top right, tap on save. And you can add caption to your post. It is optional, so I'm gonna leave this field for now. And lastly, make sure your track is public. If you just want to make a private track, you can turn off this toggle. But as you want your song to be listened by many people, here make sure your song is public. Once everything is finished, now here at the top right corner, tap on save. And your song will be uploaded to SoundCloud. In order to check it, you can again tap on the upload icon. Okay, I cannot see it from here, but you can get a notification once it finished uploading. So you can see the notification, just tap on it. And there it is. Here you will see your uploaded tracks to SoundCloud. And here you can edit your track as well. I had not added any picture to this track. I can just tap on this camera icon and choose the picture for this song from my library. So that's it guys, that's how you can upload songs to SoundCloud from your phone. And if you found this video helpful, please consider liking this video and leaving a comment. And if you want to convert WAV to MP3 on your phone, then watch this video and I will see you in the next one.